Now, for iron or any other ferromagnetic substance, we'll see how we can explain why it is so magnetic whenever you keep it in an external magnetic field. Okay? Alright, see, for any ferromagnetic substance, we explain using something called as domain theory. Okay? Like domains. See, any ferromagnetic substance, okay, there are free moving electrons. Now, these free moving electrons, they interact with each other, okay, and this is what we call as exchange forces, okay. Unlike in paramagnetic, so ferromagnetic substance, the interaction is very high, okay, it's very strong. So what happens is most of the electrons which are unpaired, they have one magnetic moment, okay. Like about, let's say 100 electrons, they have magnetic moment in one direction, another 100 in one more direction, okay. So what happens here is these small group of electrons or group of atoms, they have the same magnetic moment, correct? So this is what we call as domain. Okay, now domains are very small. Okay, domains are somewhere close to 10 power minus 17 to 10 power minus 18 meter cube. Okay, domains are very small volume, but in that volume there are many atoms. Okay, like 10 to the power of 10 to 10 to the power of 11 atoms will be there in one domain. Okay, so there are millions of domains, correct? See, all the domains will align themselves in the direction of magnetic field. Okay, so see, moving the whole domain in one direction is very easy because already they have a magnetic moment, correct? So that magnetic moment, that is the magnetic moment of the whole domain, that gets changed in the direction of the external magnetic field. All right, this is the reason why a ferromagnetic substance almost instantly it becomes magnetized. Okay, when I say instantly, not like, okay, so you take an iron piece and put it under the magnetic field, then it turns to a magnet. It can have that magnetic effect, okay, it will retain it for a small amount of time. All right, but because of the thermal agitation, if you instantly take it out, then it loses its magnetic field. All right, fine. Now, see, every domain is moving in the same direction, correct? But remember, for a ferromagnetic substance, we have Curie temperature or a Curie point, correct? Now, if you heat the material above the Curie point, the domain will break. Okay, because of the energy of electrons and atoms, the domain will break. This is the reason why a ferromagnetic substance will turn into a paramagnetic substance. Okay, so remember, for diamagnetic substance we explain using electron theory. For a paramagnetic substance we explain again by electron theory, but they have a magnetic moment, so that's why they align. And for a ferromagnetic substance we explain using domain theory. Understood that? Fine.